Bicycle number 3.
First speaker, the Vice President of the Boston College Student Government. You know they've been on strike for weeks, even before the rest of the country joined them. Bill Moriarty.
People will try and follow our example. Unfortunately, it took 4 lives, 4 people dead, before people would stop, look, and see what was happening, before anything could get done. 4 people shouldn't have to die. No one should have to die before anything is done. Things should be done without lives taken.